I was surprised, I was happy for a day in 1975. I was puzzled by a dream that stayed with me all day in 1995. My brother had confessed he was gay, it took the heat off me for a while. He stood up with a sailor friend, made it known upon my sister's wedding day. In a rush to save a kid from being deported, now she's in love. Oh, I was so touched, I was moved to kick the crutches from my crippled friend. And she was not impressed, 'cause I cured her on the Sabbath. I went to confess. When she saw the funny side, we introduced my child bride to whiskey and gin. To whiskey and gin. The priest in the book had a photographic memory for all he had heard. He took all of my sins and he wrote a pocket novel called The State That I'm In. And so I give myself to God, the water pregnant pause before he said okay. Now I spend my days turning tables round in Marks and Spencer. They don't seem to mind. Give myself to sin, I give myself to Providence, and I've been there and back again, the state that I am in. I give myself to sin, I give myself to Providence, and I've been there and back again, the state that I am in. Condescend to help me, 'cause I'm stupid and blind. Oh, and desperation is the devil's work. It is the folly of a boy's empty mind. Oh, and now I'm feeling dangerous, riding on city buses for a hobbyist time. Why don't you lead me to a living end? I promise that I entertain my crippled friend, my crippled friend. I give myself to sin.